Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to know the password of Gmail account. So let's get started. First things first, open Gmail app. Once it is opened, click on top right corner profile button. Then click on manage your account. Then from different menus, click on security from there. Swipe down to the bottom. Then click on manage passwords. In here, you will see all your passwords. Once you have found google.com, click on it. Then you have to enter your password. Once you have entered your password, it will show you the password. And that's how you know the password of Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.